Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to animate a stickman image or graphics like this to play it. Let's play this video and let's see what it is. As you can see, he's vomiting. He's a stickman that is vomiting, and I'm going to show you step by step how I created something like this. Very nice, and I did everything within Canva. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Once you're on your Canva platform, all you need is to come over to video. In here you can see video. You can just click on it and you can select the type of video that you want, whether YouTube video or landscape or Instagram or mobile video or any of these selections. You can go to custom if you're interested, or you can search. For this, let's say I'm going to create a YouTube video. Now once I click and it brought me in here, you can come to templates, or you can go to elements. All right, so you can search for stickman vomiting. All right, you're able to see it under graphics. You'll be able to see it down here. All right, so after bringing him in here, you can try to resize it, and what you need to do is to come to share and go to download and go to PNG. Now you're going to export this as an image. You can see downloaded it, so you can delete this one, the graphic one, so you can bring in that one that you downloaded as a PNG file. Now you can just extend it to fill up everywhere. Now you have your image. You can select it, you go to edit, and then in here you can look for image to video. You can just select, and instead of smart you can go to custom, and then you can put in the prompt. Okay, stickman vomiting. You can just put in the prompt, or you can describe what you want. You can go ahead and say generate. Let's just give this some seconds to see what it is going to generate for us. You can see he is actually vomiting directly. So if you like, you can, if you like what you see, you can use. If you don't like, you can regenerate also if you're interested. Let's say I like this, and you can just click and it's going to override the existing one. You can see now we have our video. Once we click, you can see the guy is vomiting profusely. All right, so you can go ahead, explore and see how you can use this. The best advantage is if you are trying to create a b-roll using a stickman, you can also generate the video that you want, and you can add it to the b-roll that you want, and then you can add it to the video that you are interested in. Now you can export this also if you're interested by coming to download, and you can just download it in MP4 and then go ahead and click on download, and now you have your b-roll to yourself. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about how to animate a stickman using Canva. You can go ahead and try and take any graphics that you want to animate. You just need to convert it into a PNG, and then you can be able to convert it from PNG into a video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.